to Nookology. I'm your host, Nikki. Happy New Year! It's January. It's time to celebrate with a mocktail. This is a very tasty one. I think you'll like it. You get a pitcher, put a little ice in it, some water. You add 2 cups pomegranate juice, a little agave, a little lime, and a little orange extract because it's a mocktail. If you want to go the other way, you can pretend it's orange liqueur. Just add that. So here we go. All right, the pomegranate juice. In we go. A little agave and lime to taste, as much as you want. There's no rules here. Just whatever you feel like doing. And a little bit of orange extract or a little bit of orange liqueur. Whichever way you want to go. All right, now to mix it up, easy peasy, just a swirl. No need to dirty a spoon. Now we put it into our refillable bag. Now let's fill it. All right, here we go. Into the refillable bag or the fillable bag. Into the bag we go. See, these bags are awesome. They can be used for anything. Mocktails, cocktails, Kool-Aid, water, tea, whatever you want. In this case, the mocktail. Now, just put the little spout in and look. Is this not gorgeous? This is our Nook. Cheers. All right, so all you do is, this is so fun. This is so easy. It doesn't get easier than this. Just put your bag right in. Lay in there, baby. Just slide it in. Look at this. Now, I just feel really classy. A mocktail is beauty. And now we're gonna make our DIY inspirational 2021 project to kick off the new year. And what we're gonna make is, well, whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna make it a vision board. It could be a picture board, a vision board, a scrapbook picture. It could just be a cute tray with corks in it. I've got all these corks because you know my friends come over, they always wanna drink wine. I don't want them to feel left out, so I got a lot of corks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just get our handy dandy glue gun. You just heat it up, just takes a minute. You just put a little glue on that old cork because we're repurposing. We are being so good. And look, I'm gonna put a little pattern that I like, but you know what? There's no rules here. That's how we roll here, no rules. You just make any design you want. And I'm gonna make my handy dandy design. And we're gonna check back in just a few minutes when I have this done. I'll show you the finished project. We're done. This is our beautiful cork board. My beautiful cork board. In this case, it's gonna be a vision board because 2021 is gonna be a good year. It's not gonna be like stinking 2020. Look at my vision. Traveling, hopefully, yes, and relaxing without a care in the world. No stinking COVID for me. La la la. It can be whatever you want. It can be your honey-do list. It can be a chore board for your kids. It can be pictures. It can be whatever you want it to be. This is my vision so far. Huh? Not bad, eh? Love it. I think I've worked up a nice little thirst. I think I'll have my mocktail now out of my Nook. Yep, the flavors should be nice and mixed up by now. Could be a cocktail, might be a mocktail. Only I know for sure. Cheers.